Hi guys, Chet here. Today we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of RocketReach and ZoomInfo, two major platforms used for lead generation and contact data. I'll walk you through their features, ease of use, pricing, and what types of businesses they're best suited for. So by the end of this video, you'll know which one makes more sense for you and for your sales and outreach goals. First off, let's take a quick overview of both platforms. RocketReach is well known for providing accurate contact details, including email and phone numbers, mainly used by recruiters, marketers, and sales teams. It's very straightforward. You type in a name or company and it gives you verified information. It's ideal for teams who want to do targeted outreach without digging through multiple sources. On the other hand, ZoomInfo is more of an all-in-one sales intelligence tool. It not only gives you contact information, but also enriches that data with firmographics, buyer intent signals, and automation tools. Now, it's built more for companies that want deep insights and advanced prospecting capabilities. Now let's talk about those features. RocketReach focuses on making email and phone lookups easy and accessible. You can search by name, company, or domain, and their data accuracy is really one of the best in the industry. They also offer bulk lookup features, which are really quite handy if you need to process large lists. It's quick, simple, and really does exactly what it promises. ZoomInfo, meanwhile, brings in much more data. You get access to detailed company profiles, org charts, buying signals, and integration with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot. Their tool will let you build segmented lists, track buyer intent, and automate outreach campaigns. It's built for enterprise-level operations with all the bells and whistles. Next up, let's talk about usability. RocketReach has a minimal interface and is easy to get started with. You don't need that much training, just search and go. It's light, clean, and perfect for individuals or smaller teams who just need contacts fast. ZoomInfo, in contrast, comes with more complexity. Since it offers more features, the setup and the learning process can take a little time. It's more suitable for larger teams that have dedicated sales and marketing workflows and need access to enriched data for decision making. Now let's talk about pricing. RocketReach offers 3 monthly plans. The Essentials plan is $70 and gives you 70 lookups. The Pro plan is $140 per month for 200 lookups, and the Ultimate plan is $300 per month with 500 lookups. ZoomInfo doesn't list fixed prices publicly. Instead, you need to contact their sales team to get a quote based on your business size and feature needs. So which one should you go for? If you need quick, reliable contact data and a simple platform, RocketReach is a solid choice, especially for solo professionals or small sales teams. But if your business relies heavily on data-driven outreach, segmentation, and integrated workflows, ZoomInfo offers a much more powerful solution, especially for larger teams. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.